Okay, welcome to this video. Today I am gonna talk about a new keyboard. It's a Logitech TKL G something. I don't know, 100 sure what the name is because I don't listen to the name. And also it's pretty fucking goddamn long name. But it is a 75% keyboard. You can see it doesn't have the numpad because I really don't use it. I think there's no reason for it. Also I want more space to my mouse so I can move it. But this is a 75% keyboard. Wireless, it can run with Bluetooth and the light speed technology I have, and it can approximately with this light I'm having on. It's not much light, you cannot see it because it's like dark. I pretty much can run approximately over 100 hours if I use it, literally 100 hours with no going away from it. But if I go away from it, I can use it approximately like for what, a month ish, because it's self shut down. If you're not active with it, it's shut down, and then after a little bit it totally shut down to save battery life. So that's pretty smart. The light is pretty nice. I like it. I don't use 100% light because I feel that there's no reason. This is 40% light. Then you have game mode, you have your multimedia buttons, you have this one, you can scroll up and down how much volume you want. It's pretty nice. And of course I got it in white because it fits my theme. Pretty nice, also super thin, and it's linear switches. It's brown. I choose brown switches, linear switches, so it's very quiet. I gotta say I love it. It's amazing. I only use it for a couple days now, but still it's more responsive and it's just nice. It's wireless, it's very lightweight, it's super thin, so I don't need a cushion or something to have my wrist on, because normally my old keyboard had this cushion. So I had this to sit on my inside because it was pretty high keyboard. This is not. Get with it. It's this. So if you want to see the box, this is the box you get with it. Oh, sorry, that way. You can see it's a G915 TKL. EL tactical light speed and have like all Mode of Rgb. All that good juicy ass stuff. And then of course you get a dongle, you get micro USB to charge with, and you get a also extra one. So if you want to have the dongle because the receiver is small and then you have maybe back inside a piece, you can actually take the cable you get with it and put it over, so you have a long receiver, so it's easier to transfer with this. But actually the cool things about this keyboard too is you can have this connected to two keyboards, so to two keyboards, to two stuff. So example, I have my PC, I'm using that's with light speed, and then I have my laptop also connected with Bluetooth. So if I want to really quick write something on my laptop, I can go to Bluetooth mode, really quick write something, then I can go back to light speed and instantly connect to my, so I can actually use this on two devices. I just need to switch between the modes, and it's really easy and love it. And that's pretty much it. The keyboard is amazing. It's from Logitech, also my first Logitech brand. I gotta say I love it. It's amazing. But you gotta keep it clean because yeah, it is it is white, so it's get pretty easy messy if you're not good. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. I'm out. JG Tech Boy is out. Much love. I appreciate every single one of trying to help my goal. We're right now on 21 subs, so if we can hit 50 subs at the end of this year, or just 30 subs at the end before this year end, it will be amazing. And I will see you all on the next stream, next video. Much love, JG Tech Boy out, and hope you all have an awesome day. Bye bye.